Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to move a VMware virtual machine to another drive or folder without losing your Windows 11 VM. Right now, my F drive is almost full, but the C drive has plenty of free space, so I'm going to move the virtual machine to my documents. First, open VMware Workstation. Select your Windows 11 virtual machine, then VM, Settings. Now go to the Options tab. Under Working Directory, you can see the current VM location. Click inside the path and copy it. Now open File Explorer. Paste the copied path into the address bar and press Enter. This will open the folder where the virtual machine files are stored. Here you can see the full Windows 11 VM folder. Right-click the folder and select Cut. Now go to the location where you want to move the virtual machine. In my case, I'm moving it to the Documents folder. Here, create a new folder called VMware. Open the VMware folder and paste the virtual machine here. Depending on the VM size, this may take a few minutes. Once the copy is finished, go back to VMware Workstation. You may see a message saying the file not found. Click Remove. Don't worry, this only removes the entry from VMware, not the actual virtual machine files. Now click Open a virtual machine. Go to the new location, Documents, VMware. Then open the Windows 11 virtual machine folder. Select the VMX file and click Open. Your virtual machine is now added back to VMware from the new location. Start the VM, then select I moved it. Make sure everything is working correctly. And that's it. You have successfully moved your VMware virtual machine to another drive or folder without reinstalling anything. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe.